Alright, now you want to make your video black and white. A very simple way you can do this. First, add your video, add movie. I pick a video, say, I just pick a random one. Alright, you notice that there's colors. Right now you want to make this just simply black and white. There's two ways you can do this. One of the way you just go onto the video itself, which is this bar, the video bar. Just make sure the movie. You go down, select. Believe it's 2. No, it's 2. See. Oh, the value is low. Get put all the value down. Now you have a black and white, no color. You can always add back the color. Change color when this back up. Now, second way you can do it, just in case you do a lot of cutting. For example, you cannot do it at just one video. You did so many cutting, so you have two separate bar, and you want to make sure both of them is black and white. You just have to go add effect adjustment layer. You do the same thing, but make sure you stretch it out, because what it does is this layer will apply everything, every change that you make below it. So for example, I want to make this black and white in the adjustment layer, like you did earlier. Just go there. Bring this all down. Look at the same effect. There you go. Black and white.